Today we are going to do a review of our garden, the garden we planted the other day. So welcome as we review together, and yes, welcome. Here is the tomato we planted. You can see it's already having flowers and it's fruiting. Look at the fruits. They are here. This is a tomato already. We planted some veggies around this container. This is just a container, a 20-liter container. We just cut it on the top and then we made some holes. So these are the vegetables we planted. These are Chinese cabbage. Then next year we planted some Chinese cabbage and some cherry tomato. Cherry tomato, they are here, they are already fruiting. And then there is spinach down there. There's spinach, more spinach, and some Chinese cabbage. I don't know why it's called cabbage, as we just eat it like sukuma wiki or kales. That's it. Then we have some amaranth.
We took our baby rabbit out.
Our corianders are here, but they have been eaten by our chicken. They always come out from their house and then they come to eat. You see, they were full here. They have eaten all the leaves, but it's okay. More coriander. We planted some, remember we planted some cucumber there. These are the cucumbers there. You see, there the cucumbers, they're already fruiting, but the fruits are a bit small. This is one of the fruits. Let me look for another one. This is another one here. Another one is here. Another one is here. So there are several fruits, but I don't know what has affected the leaves. As you can see, they are browning. I don't know if it's water or it's a disease. Someone can advise me on what I'm going to spray so that the leaves can be back to normal. We have some pepper here. I don't know what type of peppers are these ones. When we planted, we thought they were, you see, they're so big. We thought this was, what is it called? Look at this. They're so big. Look at that. Look at that. We have some more spinach there. A big maize, just one. Then we have more here, more spinach and one tomato. This one just grew by itself. Then we have this pumpkin. She has spread. It's just going around our bananas. Then we have one hoho here. You see, when we planted this, we thought these were bell peppers, but then they turned out to be pepper. The pepper. Then this one just produced one fruit. Then we have a watermelon. The watermelon we grew together, still doing good.
No, shut the baby.
Oh, which one is this one? Okay. More kales. As you can see, more kales here. That one was eaten by our chicken. Then we have some cherry tomato here. Then some maize. Some sugar cane. This one you saw it. Then we have some peas here. Peas. These are the peas. We've not put some sticks for them to stand on. They are just natural like that. Then more Chinese cabbage, beans here. We have some spinach there. Then now, this is what do you call this? Rosemary. This is for making my oils, my hair oils. That is what I used to make my hair grow oils. Then this is what we are harvesting today. We harvested that part yesterday, and yesterday but one, and it was enough Today we are going to harvest this. Some bird did some bad manners here. That is okay. So this is what we are going to have tonight. Some ugali. Then we have some small watermelon growing in there. We have some onions. Look at our pineapples. They're not doing so well. We don't know what to do to them so that they can grow, because they don't grow. Then we have amaranth here. These have grown by themselves. We've not grown these ones. They have grown themselves here because of the rabbit waste. So they're edible. So they're edible because the rabbit waste is manure. So this is it. This is going to be used for feeding the rabbits. This. So we are just waiting for them to grow a bit so that we can uproot and give the rabbits. Let's check the rabbits. This is their house. There are so many. Hi, rabbits. There. Then we have this. This is the oldest mother. Look at our okra. We planted so many okras, but they didn't survive. This is the only one which survived, and it's doing well. Look at this. We are going to cook them very soon. Many fruits are here. More fruits are here. So now, let's harvest our vegetable, and then we go to cook. I'm using these scissors because these Chinese cabbage are very fragile, so I just cut with the scissors. And they have too much soil, so when you cook this, you need to wash thoroughly.
What?
Look at this spinach. It's very healthy, organically grown. It's always very good to know where your food comes from. Look at this. Very beautiful.
Me.